You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show y'all how I finesse my go-to hairstyle. I like to do the little afro pony in the back of my hair, and y'all know y'all saw my hair the other day and we still working with some bald spots, thinning areas, and I'm going to just show y'all how I finesse it to cover those bald spots up to get me my go-to hairstyle that I always love to do. Right here I'm just going in with my night hair care routine. I showed y'all this, well I didn't show y'all, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then getting past all that, girl, I'm just taking my hair and I wanted a deep swoop, a deep side part. I don't know, I like doing me a deep side part. So whenever I do this go-to hairstyle, I normally will do a split down the middle and just call it a day with that. But today I wanted to try to finesse it with the deep side part. I've done a deep side part on a bun before, and yeah, I wanted to just try it with my go-to hairstyle because I be thinking that's really, really cute and it just flatters my face. But anyways, going in, y'all, I tried this new edge control. I thought I had showed it to y'all on camera, but it's not even worth me showing y'all because it didn't work for my hair. Maybe I had too many products in my head, but normally with me, with trying to get my hair real sleek, I like to use the magic edge effect. I always talk about that edge control because that is the one that really lays my hair flat, because y'all see I got some tough hair, some nappy hair, girl, is rough. But I'm taking this new edge control and trying to use it on my head, and girl, boo. Y'all saw the spot. I told y'all about this spot. Y'all see that spot. Now what I do is, y'all see my hair, that area is my most trouble area, is my most problem area, and it be kind of hard for me to finesse it sometimes, so it takes me a little bit longer to get this hairstyle accomplished because of how, you know, how like visible that part, that bald spot is. But I normally just take my time and work with it. With me using my edge control, I like to get in the crevices of my hair so it can lay really, really flat. But on this side, I have to literally take my time because I have to make sure I'm covering up that spot. So if somebody is going to, you know, look at it, they won't be able to clock me, like to see that, girl, you got a full bald spot and you trying to do a pull back ponytail. Mind your business. But anyways, yeah, so I just take my time on this side. It takes me a little bit more time on this side to finesse it because of how visible my spot is. So I just work with it and work with it and work with it, and when it's time for me to like just see if it's covered up, y'all gonna see me here. I don't have a mirror, which is, it'll be easier if you have a mirror just to see what you're working with, but I didn't have my mirror at the time, so I was just trying to work with it the way that I normally work with it, and yeah, that's why it took me a little bit longer. So here I just take my cell phone. You see, I can still see a little bit of the spots. So I take a picture of that area to see if it's covered up well enough to my liking. And if it's not, I go in with my comb and just keep on combing it over so I can cover up that spot so it won't be as visible, because I don't want people to clock me, and that's just point blank period. That's just point blank period. To be honest, y'all, now my focus is solely on this bald spot area just to see if I can get it to grow back. So I'm really focusing on this area so I won't have to constantly keep doing stuff like this, so it can go ahead and grow back. So I'm back to like using my Canvas beauty products religiously every week like I normally, or every day like I normally would do, and using my shampoo and conditioner twice a week, because that's what grew that is what grew my bald spot. I'm not going to re-record this. That's what grew my bald spots back the first time. So yeah, I'm back to using that and trying to just get my hair back to growing, because this right here is unacceptable, period. Anyways, yeah, in the back of my hair, I'm just going in with some more edge control. Like I told y'all, the edge control that I was using, it did nothing. Like, it may look like right here that it had my hair sleek. That's just a facade, because it did not. As soon as I as soon as it was laying down, y'all, as soon as I got finished, it started to come back up. It did not last. It did not stay at all. And I was so disappointed. And I'm constantly trying to try these different edge controls out to see what would lay my hair the best. And that one was a bust. I wasted, I don't even know. I think I paid $13 or $15 for it, and it was a waste. It was a waste. But yeah. Anyways, I'm going in. I think I ended up taking some of my edge control from the Canvas Beauty and putting it over there as well. And it helped a little bit, but not much because of the other edge control that I used to go in the crevice. The edge canvas I just used for my edges. And girl, I was so disappointed. Yeah, I was so disappointed in the edge control. But anyways, this is a ponytail that I'm using. This is a ponytail that you can get out of the hair store. It probably won't cost you more than $5 or $6, if that. But you can get those really, really cheap out of the hair store, and girl, you can finesse this hairstyle. Another thing I do that I didn't show on camera is I take some styling protein gel, the black kind, and I go over that just to cover up any white, residue that may be left on my head because that edge control does leave residue, and I didn't like that as well. And it's like a greasy consistency, which really is a bust for me. So yeah, but this is basically it. This is how I achieve my go-to hairstyle. I put some pins in it just to give me a little bit more volume, and to also just to also keep it secure so it won't come off. And that's it. I wrap my hair up for the night, and that's it. Try to make my hair last for about a week if it does with this jacked up edge control. That's it. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.